Hey guys, so welcome back to this week's video. So there's nothing much that is actually happening. Let me hold you like this because me and the tripods, I don't have the time, but I hope that you can see me and you can hear me. But anyways, so yesterday, which was on a Saturday, we went to view a place because we actually need to get out of this place by the 1st of November. So I just want to share this place that I found. I was really looking for something that is not like too modern or not modern at all. So it was a bit of a mission to find a place that we like. This one has not been confirmed also. I really hope those people consider us because I really love that place and like it's perfect. So let me take you along with me to see how beautiful this place actually is. So I really hope you do enjoy. Make sure to subscribe, tell your friends to tell their friends that we're doing DIYs on the cheap side. Like tripod, like the energy is just not there. So I feel like this is like more easy. So until next time, I'll see you when I see you. Located in Fairfield, Parow. So right as you walk in, it looks like it has like a patio connected to the main door as you walk into the house. And when you come into the house, you greeted by this beautiful door. You can tell that it's like a very aged kind of old door, of which I really liked. And then it has like a brick, and then it has like this entry table slash mirror situation. Also, this brick is quite beautiful. I like it personally. And then there's like an archway leading to the living room. I like the fact that the living room is separated from
Look at
all
that.
of the space.
Hey. That you actually need to buy more furniture.
Yes. So yeah, that is one of the things that I like about it. And then also the lights, they have very beautiful lights, like antique kind of lights, vintage. You can tell that this place has been lived in, and there's something that I like. And then like when you go to the bathroom, you see this beautiful flowered tiles. Like you can see that it's like old kind of tiles, and I'm living for them. And then it has like this beautiful storage, one can put towels in the storage, you can put a lot of things actually. So that was one of the things that we liked also. And then as you walk out of the bathroom, there's like a passageway that leads you to the kitchen. And there's also like an archway like going into the kitchen, of which I like that also. And then the kitchen is so modern, it's like not fitting to the style of the house, but for me it fits. I mean, you can like all things, but you cannot like all things old. Like I wouldn't want to have a very old kitchen. So we like the kitchen. I'm not sure about Kaya because Kaya doesn't like that kitchen, and this kitchen is like black. And then there's the main bedrooms. They have like wooden ceilings, and it's just beautiful. The closet is very big. It's like 6 doors, and we currently have like 2, so it will probably be empty. So yeah, basically that's that on this house, and I really hope they would choose us as their tenants, because I mean, come on, the place is just so perfect. Yeah, so I think that's it for this place. I will not be doing like showcasing all of the places that we go and view, especially the ones that I don't like. I don't even get the energy to like film or record anything. So yeah, that's that on that.